Welcome to your spacious holiday retreat by the sea, nestled in the heart of Manaba, KwaZulu-Natal. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing and the salty breeze of the Indian Ocean. This is beachfront living at its finest. Located just above Lilliecrona Boulevard, known for its health enthusiasts and nature lovers, this area offers the perfect setting for scenic runs, leisurely strolls, and walks with your furry friends along the picturesque coastline. Step into the Domaine, a well-kept complex where the stunning apartment awaits you on the first floor. As you enter, be greeted by an abundance of natural light and panoramic sea views. And yes, this apartment does come fully furnished. This apartment is not just about luxury, it's about convenience and added value. Contact me today to schedule a viewing and start living the coastal lifestyle you have always dreamed of.